Hiwin i4.0BS is the first intelligent Ballscrew in the world with sensor for predictive maintenance. The Hiwin intelligent Ballscrew has 5 major functions which offers value added to customers' machine.
Thermodiagnosis.
Detects thermal status of the machine.
Vibration diagnosis.
Tracks the machine's dynamic performance and provides traceability.
Smart lubrication.
Detects Ballscrew operating condition and optimizes lubrication frequency and quantity, reducing oil consumption by 40% to 70%.
Remote monitoring.
Hiwin i4.0BS sends information to the cloud. Users can access information and monitor machine status from a remote location through their mobile devices.
Live prediction.
Monitors Ballscrew physical condition, preventing unexpected shutdown. By monitoring the Ballscrew's operating condition, customers can schedule predictive maintenance, maintain high productivity, and achieve intelligent and smart manufacturing. Hiwin i4.0BS is the best partner for Industry 4.0. The Ballscrew is the key critical component of a machine tool, and the i4.0BS is perfect for high-end machine tool applications. It helps machine tool customers and end users obtain predictive diagnosis and maintain high productivity through intelligent manufacturing. By installing Hiwin i4.0BS, customers' machine can self-monitor their status and send important data to engineers or managers for efficient diagnosis and scheduling of maintenance, thus improving manufacturing quality and productivity. Through assisting our customers with various automation processes, Hiwin understood that it was painful for a factory to have unexpected shutdowns. To avoid unexpected shutdowns, a manufacturer needs to maintain many spare parts in the warehouse, requiring a lot of labor and time for maintenance and inspection. These were painful points that manufacturers really wanted to resolve. Therefore, we studied customers' concerns and demands regarding machine characteristics, user operation methods, industrial know-how, environment requirements, users' experience, and specific material selection. Hiwin is the first in the world to introduce the intelligent Ballscrew i4.0BS.